All right, so I have a bunch of screen door frames, and they have stucco and glue on them. So let's give it an assessment to put our best foot forward. And they're hideously filthy too. The first thing comes to mind is someone, whether it's myself or the homeowner, needs to take sandpaper and steel wool and sand all of this to get into the dirt. You got to sand all of this dirt off, and then this crunchy business here, that just cannot be there. Stripping and doing them is easy. The condition of the frames, it's like such a shame if we don't prepare these, because once I put the screen in, who's going to try painting up to them? I think my best assessment is prep all of these frames and spray paint them either black or white, and they'll look brand new-ish, because doing the screen is straightforward. That's just easy. The screen frame is really what the disaster is. I'll have to come up with a price assessment. All right, let's see how easy these guys go in and out, because I will need to give a price both ways. Steady J. Oh my gosh. We just painted this, right?
Yeah.
Don't. I have stuff in the truck. I'll spackle that little guy and fix it. Do you have the white ceiling paint?
That I don't know. It was just painted yesterday. In fact, we're not even in love with this color. We might repaint it.
Okay.
Because my husband's colorblind, and I let him pick the color, and I really shouldn't have done that.
Oh boy. How did these come out? Did this fella...
I think he
took these wood pieces all off?
the wood pieces off. I don't know why he put them back in. He was supposed to sand them and paint them. He knew the screens were going to get redone.
Mamma mia, this is some project. All of these sticks got to get screwed and screwed back in.
Yeah, they were unscrewed yesterday.
And they're Phillips head screws. Oh boy.
You want me to get my drill?
No. I see what has to be done. That's just... I don't want to put any negative on this. Well, it's going to be tough swinging around putting these things in anyways. So I have spackle in the truck and paint. So part of my service is, oh heck, we got big nail holes and pops and pow. While I'm here, if you want me to fix this paint job, I can do that. I mean, all you need to do is smack some of these nail pops and put another coat of paint. But that's one of the easiest things you're doing here. All right, this is a head scratcher. I'm going to make a menu for all of these. There's attention necessary in getting them in. There's attention necessary in prepping these things and painting them. And then the easiest thing is just putting the screen in them. All right, and we have 10 of them. A little bit of head scratching so we can keep the number fair for both of us. Eek. And they're Phillips head, and they're gonna, as soon as you put a drill on this, it's gonna want to spin because it's packed with paint too.
Yeah, I think he misunderstood what was expected.
I don't want to be disparaging, but I think he's a banana. Okay. This is definitely some banana work. All right, so the customer has decided to have me take them away, hand sand all of them, strip the screens out, spray paint them black, put new screens in, and then reinstall them back in their spots. Ta-da!